he really coming this time?
There he is. Dad! Grandpa!
Don't call me Dad. You don't call me Grandpa.
Well, what should I call you?
You can call me Dad.
Say hi to Mom.
Well, why don't you join us?
I can't stay. Well, maybe I can stay for a couple minutes.
You're dating a woman because of her father's connection.
A new dealership on track. Fantastic.
Allison can't reschedule her college interview just because I have the flu.
Mom, it's fine. I'll just stop there myself.
She'll feel so much better with you there.
I'd feel a whole lot better if you would just turn and leave.
Look out! Let the big dog hunt!
You almost hit the lady.
I don't care. Give me back the frisbee, Granddad.
Smooth.
You always said you'd never come back. And now you're here.
I thought you said you were going to let me do whatever I want.
You go ahead.
I need another drink. None of the guys I've been with really know what they're doing.
You just have to take control of the situation. I just want to spend some time together.
You need to forget about it. Everything all right?
We slept together, Mom.
You're fantastic.
I've never seen anyone turn friends to enemies so fast.
The moment you put your hands on my daughter, you cease to exist.
No broad is worth it.
Mr. Kalman, you 3 weeks late.
You had to fuck a friend of mine. You're priceless, Dad.
Todd, excuse me. Maybe. Hey, want a drink?
Aren't you a little old for all this? No, I did it because I wanted to.
Me too. Someday, you're going to be my age. You do not want to regret a night like this.
I know, that's why I'm going to stay.
I just don't know how you get to work that around here.
Must have been a hell of a car salesman.
I was the